Hey everyone, Nick here, and I just wanted to take a minute and talk about channel memberships and what they're all about. As most of you know, I put a lot of time in the filming, editing, and sharing everything I've learned over my 25-year career. I love doing it, and the community around this channel has been incredible. But in the video where I break down the real time and investment that I have behind the scenes in making these videos, I share something that surprised a lot of people. After all the work, this channel still only generates about $250 a month off YouTube. And that's totally fine because I don't make these videos for the money. I make them to help people, to document the work that I do, and to share all the things that I've learned over my career. For those of you that do want to support the channel a little more directly, that's where channel memberships come in. I set it up very intentionally. One simple tier at $4.99. No complicated levels, no nickel and diming for tiny perks. Just a simple way to show appreciation for the time, effort, craftsmanship that goes into my work and these videos. As a member, you will get loyalty badges, priority reply to comments, early access to videos, and occasionally a members-only video when I have something special to share. So if you enjoy my content and you want to help support what I'm building here, channel membership is a great, straightforward way to do that. And if not, that's totally fine. Everything that I normally make will always stay free for everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of the channel. And to those of you who are or will be members, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate your support.